Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off with, I took this white face paint and a sponge and I sponged it all around my nose, over the top lip and up in between my eyebrows as well. I then went into this neon pink paint and I just sponged that around the edges of the white as I wanted to create a kind of like pink tie-dye leopard. I then went into this different shade of pink, which is a bit more purpley, and I sponged that around the edges, and then I filled in the gaps with like a bright red paint as well. I took the design down onto the neck and chest area and I sponged a patch of white in the centre, and then using all the same colours as I did on my face, I just sponged those around for this tie-dye effect. Using a black face paint, I added the leopard's face and I painted a nose and muzzle area, and then I also painted on leopard print, but instead of doing like regular leopard print, which I've done in a few of my other tutorials, I kind of made it into heart shapes as I did this look near Valentine's Day, so it's meant to be a Valentine's themed leopard. So I painted the shapes all over the face and onto the chest area as well. I then went into a black eyeshadow and I shaded around the eyes, down the nose and along the cheekbones, just to add a bit of definition to the face. Using a white face paint, I then went in and added some dots along the black areas that I've painted, and just added some little highlights inside the leopard print pattern. Painted my top lip black and added white polka dots, and then I painted the bottom lip neon pink, and this is the finished look of my love cat leopard. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be posting a new look soon. Bye!